Good morning. Good morning. How are we all doing today? Another beautiful day here. Hello. Hello. Welcome. Welcome to another live stream. We are going to be trading some stuff today. Hope you guys enjoy. Cost basis, open orders, done. There we go. You guys all had a good beginning of the week. We are just a couple of minutes until the market opens, about 3 minutes to be exact. We'll see what we can do today, what we can make. What kind of money can we make? Now there is an FOMC meeting today. It is Wednesday, so they do like to hold them today. We'll see exactly how that goes. We have some companies reporting earnings this week. Just spreading my link around because I forgot on Monday and on Tuesday. So it'll be nice to get our link before the market actually opens. Oh man. Got up early today. Got up at about 5:30. Felt good, felt refreshed. Slept what, 7? Maybe 7 hours? That's really all I need. About 7 hours and I'm good. Don't feel tired. Feel ready. Feel good. Feel ready to make some money. How are you guys all feeling today? Good, I hope. Now, Marathon Digital Holdings did expect to post a loss of 14 cents a share. So that's, I know we talked about that. What was it, yesterday? So I had a guy in our Investing for Beginners community with over 70,000 members say, I thought this group was about investing, not trading. And I put, both, buddy. I've been doing this for over a decade now. Started with investing. Now I trade on the side of my long-term investments. Gets boring talking about making 10% a year when I could make 10% a month or even a week. Watch some videos and find out. So hopefully I wasn't too blunt. Good morning, Tina. Good morning. Markets are open now. Hey, Tina, did you ever get your free shares? It's been about a month, hasn't it? I'd love to know if you got your free shares or not. Mara 2028, 2026. Now, Mara is on the higher end, but on the lower scale. It's on the higher end, but the lower scale of the time frame. So buying at 2025 wouldn't be bad, right? It wouldn't be a bad thing. But if this thing can drop to $19, $18, $14, then we're not going to really want to mess with it too much. Now, it looks like there's a lot of volume. Could easily get burned here, so be careful. Be very careful. This thing could drop like a hot potato. Could also go up. It looks like it wants to go up. RSI overbought a little bit on the MACD. Bitcoin pushing up. I'm gonna get in at the highest point again. Bitcoin pulling back. It's got some red selling off. Oh, cool. Good job, Tina. How much were you able to receive? Did you get a good amount? Did you get 75 free shares like it said, like it advertised? Whoa, AMD. AMD selling off like a hot potato. I don't know if that sells off or not. But what's on our radar? Sound. Palantir wants to push up. TSLL. Can that push up today? Tesla pushes up, then that will push up with it. AMD is up, it says 7%, but look at this overnight. It's starting to pull back already. TQQQ pushed up, now it's going to pull back. Everything I think is probably just going to pull back. Except for probably Mara. It continues to push. Right, another 10. We're up $400. We're in $400 on Mara. We need this to continue pushing higher. Now it is on that lower end, look, that higher end, I mean. I want you to be aware of that. Mara just hit 2050. FFIE. Looks like it wants to push up a little bit more. All the volume was in that first ticker. 10% in 2 or 3 minutes. Keep pushing up. I don't think it can. Mara 2048. Buy another 10 right here. Bitcoin hitting 66,600. Wow. Wow. Back down at 30 cents. Yeah, it had its rally, didn't it? Wow. Got 1,000 shares of FFIE. Come on, push up just even a little bit. Come on. It wants to. It wants to get up there. Let's go. Let's go. Pump it just a little bit more. A little bit more for us. All right, 2027. Wow. Selling off. Let's go. Let's go. I got 64 shares. Wow, Tina, that's amazing. 64 shares at $2 or $3 each. Couple $10 ones in there. That's awesome. That is awesome. Don't want to get stuck in this trap here. Oh, there it is. Maybe not. Gonna come back down. It's saying that it's curling over. Yeah, it is. It's coming back down. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Down $29 on that one. I think I'm just gonna have to stick to my Maro, guys. Stick to my Maro. It says it's green on the 30-minute, but I can't tell. Whoa, not 10,000. 1,000. We're gonna get another good entry here. See if we can. Lot of red. Lot of red on that tape. Come on. Got some downward momentum. This is where it spikes. Let us see. Come on. Wants to push up. A lot of green. A lot of green. Gonna buy another 1,000. All right, here we go. See if we can get this pop here. Get back up to some previous highs real quick. Get back to break even maybe. Now FFIE is very, very tricky. Very volatile. Be very cautious with this one. Okay, pushing up. Bought in at 38. Get a little bit more juice on it. Come on. Get us back to break even here. Not a lot of volume at all. Come on. Don't sell off on me now. Get up there just a little bit more. Bouncing off that EMA line. See if we get a bounce. Everybody's going to continue to sell off. Testing that MA line. See what it does on the 5-minute. The 5-minute breaks, then we're done for on the EMA. Testing the EMA on the 1-minute, on the 5-minute, testing the SMA on the 1-minute. Come on, give us one more good candle before you fade away. One more candle. 2039. Buy another 10 at 2038. Bitcoin still pushing up, testing that that MA line, the 180-day MA line on Bitcoin Cash. Getting rejected. Five-minute candle getting smaller, much smaller. What's up, Eric? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Playing FFIE today. They had a really nice push up early morning, over 41%, and then they did it just now again, pulled back and went up to 10%, and now it's pulling back again. I definitely did not get in at a good price point like I did, but I didn't. I've already traded this more than once, down $37. We're going to wait and see. There's a lot of consolidation at that 180-day MA line. If it breaks that line on the 1-minute, then you could probably guarantee it'll break it on the 5-minute. So we're just waiting to see what happens as far as any confirmation, whether it breaks down or if it continues to go up. A lot of green. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a push up. Get back to some kind of break-even point here. Got 2,000 shares, guys. 2,000 shares. So when this moves even 1 penny, it moves a whole, for me, what, $2, I think? $20. 3815. Even 1% of that. It's $7, I think. So we need to get a good, we need to get another good run. Here we go. 5-minute candle still holding. Still green, still bullish. Nope, it's gonna get rejected right here, possibly. On the 5 minute. Come on, can we hold? Mara's not doing much either, guys. Bitcoin pulled back a little bit. We'll see if we can test this MA again, see if we can get past it on the 5 minute. Looks like it's having some difficulties doing it. Have 40 shares up, have about $800 in. 2 positions open. Actually 3, I think. Yeah, I have Coney, but Coney for the simple fact that it has a dividend coming up soon. I believe. What happened to all my information? Oh, it's on the day. Yeah, we got a dividend coming soon. July 5th, it paid $1.57. June, it paid $1.69. May, it paid $2.28. So I'll get paid whatever plus, times 5 shares. So nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Here we go. 1 minute. 5 minutes looking really good. 5 minute candle is looking good. Stay above. Let's go. Stay above. So yeah, 1% gave me $10. 1.5%, $11. There we go. Starting to push up. Just like we want to see. Good, 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 good. 5 minute looking nice. Oh, a little bit of a pullback. Come on, let's get one more pump. One more rally. One more rally up. Can I do it? Nope, doesn't look like it wants to do it. Looks like it's getting rejected at that 38.73 mark. It broke the level. It broke it. Just gonna sell off now, guys. It's gonna sell off really, really bad. Maybe not. Maybe there's some bulls in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. Huge reversal. Huge, huge reversal. People are playing on this very hard. The bears, the bulls, the bears, the bulls. Look at the green tape. 10,000 shares bought. 5,000 shares bought. 3,000, 6,000. They want this thing to keep going up. Bears are not messing around. Ooh, boy. We're just gonna have to get out. Wait and see what happens. Just another minute or so. See if we get a little bit of a retracement. Maybe not lose as much. 37.12. Nah, this thing's selling off. I don't know. There's a little bit of support there, possibly. Now it's below that EMA line. Get us back up just a little bit more. $38.15. My luck, I'll sell it and it'll go all the way back up. A lot of selling going on. 5 minute candle is up again. It's green. It looks like just going to keep selling off, guys. That was a one and only pump. for the day. Even volume's getting really low. To say this was probably a fail today. Yeah, we're just gonna get out. I got no choice. We're just gonna have to get out. Yeah. Dang it. Selling off. Selling off. Yeah, it's just going to continue selling off today. We missed it. We missed it. I tried to fight it here and up 42%. That'd be $400, $800 with the position size that I have. To start to sell off. A couple big candles from 33 to 43. That's 10 cents on 1,000 shares. You'd be in the money. Looks like right now it's just going to continue to sell off. Down $57 today, guys. That's 2%. I normally don't lose that much. That's insane. Of course, Bitcoin's still selling off. 40 shares, about $800. And then look at all this green. I could have closed my eyes and picked any of these oversold companies, and they would have went up. Except for maybe Oxygen. It's not quite oversold yet. It's getting there. Chipotle pulling back a little bit. Wow. Bitcoin pulled back so much just now. That's insane. My highs of 429 back to 425. From high of 66,800 to lows of 66.5. Got a share price of 20.43 on Mara. It's just selling off. See if it retraces at all. Maybe we'll get some bulls come in and we'll buy this and it'll start going up, but it may just continue to sell off, guys. You see that here? Just slowly selling off. Downward trend. Small little spike up to fake us out on the 1 hour. Just to put us right back where we are. Now we'll see if we get a little bit of a rally here. Or, no, it's just going to keep selling off probably. Yep, I'm just going to continue to sell off. I'm going to have to get out of this position too, guys. Oh, hold up now. Big retracement back up. Huge from where that 20-day EMA line is. Okay, here we go. Might be able to get back up to some kind of break-even point. Or it's just a fake out. Green candle, it's going to go red. Yep. It's going to go red. 2018. This thing is not ready to be bought yet. I don't know. Let's see. There it goes, pushing up. See if Mara can get to any kind of actual levels now. Very small amount. Nothing of any interest to us. Yeah, it's selling off. We're gonna have to get out. Wow. Not a good day at all, guys. Not a good day at all. Lost $12 on Mara, 50 on FFIE. Down $60 on the day. Holy moly, that's the biggest loss since I started this challenge. Back in what, January, February? And it was also on Mara. I think I made, what did I make? I made $100 one day. I think I made another $80 the next on Mara. And then the very next day I lost like $120, like instantly. I didn't really lose it, but I went up to that amount, went up like 180, and then I didn't sell because I was in a margin account and I used all my day trades, so I couldn't sell at the high. Next morning came and went all the way back down to where I think I made like $20. I was like, man, this is crazy. Bitcoin testing on that 5-minute. We're gonna see a huge pull up. Watch, or not, or it's a fake out. Wow. FFIE selling off. Looking at the 4-hour chart, I mean, it's still extremely bullish. Still trying to follow this trend line. It has broken it a couple times, but overall trying to follow it. This whole setup is a little off. Hmm. 2020. That's right around where I bought too. Pretty sure. I bought it 2039, 2042, 2052. Trying to add to my position as it went up. Bought another 10 at 2040. And sold at 2012. It's coming back down. Or not. Or just continue to pop up. Wow. Wow. Can't buy nothing for shares. I'll use all my settled cash. What a day. What a day. Should have sold and bought right there. Sold and bought, sold and bought. Or waited for the dip. Like always. I always rush it. First 30 minutes are super volatile. Caught myself here. Should have sold up there instead of buying at 20.52. I should have sold. Locking a few dollars. And then catching this run here. Look at this. It's going to be at 2%, which will be $20 on 1,000, $40 on 2,000. It's not a lot, but it's something. Wow. And now at this point, I don't even care that I have the 3 shares at $60. That's nothing. This market value is as much as I lost today. Which is okay. Nothing wrong with that. Means we got to fight a little harder, make it back tomorrow. Yeah, I'm buying at 20.34. It's too late. I missed it. Missed it. All the action was down at 20.11. Look right there. You can even see it. You can see where that support level was. 20.11. Boom. I'm going to draw it. Horizontal line. 20.11. Look at that. Perfectly. With where it was trading. As far as resistance and support level, you know, it was consolidating in that area right there. Went up, came back down, found support at 2011, went all the way up to 2057. So from 2011 to 2057, 2%. Now set itself up to make another 1.5%. Wow. Chipotle pulled back a little bit. Plug pulled back a little bit. FFIE's pulling back. Microsoft pushing up. TQQQ. Would have been better off trading TQQQ, guys. Up almost 2%. Eric, hold, man. It's a roller coaster with reports today. Yeah, it is. Definitely, Eric. Yeah, I should have. I held for what, a week or two? I held for that whole week of downtrend. And I had a nasty average. I had like a $25 average on Mara. So I got out to get a better average in the 20s. And again, I could have probably kept it, but a little skeptical as if this is going to go back down to 18 or even $14. So I'm kind of waiting to see what happens with it before I get back in. Trying to catch those small plays this morning, and it just did not work out for me. Could have held. Actually, could have held and been right back where I was just now. Would not have lost at $12. But that's okay. That is okay. HUT is up very nicely. I was looking at this morning too. Tesla is up, which means TSLL is probably up too. Let me see. Where's that one at? Yep, 10%. I was looking at this morning thinking maybe I should trade it up 8%. 80 would have been $80 or $160 in profits this morning. Some days I just trade the wrong stocks, the wrong companies. And that's all right. It happens. You can't win them all. Can't win every day. NVIDIA is up 10% as well. Had a pullback, pushed up very nicely. It's funny because a lot of these companies I was holding. And I was like, oh, it's going to get worse. It's going to get worse. So I sold way down here at 106.05. But I bought way up here at 120. So it still isn't back to my break-even point even. Tesla pushing up. HUT pushing up. Same with AMD. Bought AMD at 153. Sold it at 147. Almost back up to break even. TQQQ sold at 61.90. It's at 67.52. Still not break even though, because I had it at 73. So I held for a majority of time with some of these trades, and they just kept selling off, and I didn't want to hold anymore. I was like, I'm losing more money by missed opportunities, like having money in my account to day trade every day, than just holding these companies for a week or two as they go down, waiting for them to go up. Now I know they can, like Chipotle. I bought here at 50.34, sold at 52.11, made a few dollars, but it's at 53.39, and it can go all the way up to $69. I think I just got impatient. I got really impatient. Didn't want to hold anymore because I wanted to just start trading again. And as a result, I took a loss. I took a loss on some of my positions just so that I can get the usable money back to start trading again. So I'm gonna buy another share, make it even 4. Why not? And this thing could sell off. It can, like I said, it can go back to 18. My share price for this one isn't too bad, 19.22. But I'm holding this one because it does pay a dividend, and I wanted to showcase that to everyone on the channel, that this does pay a monthly dividend. I have bought and sold it in the past. Now, what is the dividend going to be for this? Wow, they ain't got much data on it at all, do they? No dividend dates. Not many financials. I'm curious as to what the dividend is. Let's take a look. Tony dividend. Oh man, my internet is so horrible. I can't wait to get to can't wait to get the, what is it? Starlink. Let's take a look on here and see what we got. Dividend yields 102%. When is its next distribution? 13%. Where is it? Monthly. Oh, right here. July 5th. June. So still no upcoming dividend yet for August 5th. Maybe they'll announce it in the next day or two. Eric, looking forward to Fed today. What you think on that today? Well, we've had a huge pullback with the market, so we'll see as far as if we get the slightest hint of good news, we could see the market start reversing. But if we continue to hear bad news, then this can easily go down even more. I mean, it can go down even more, guys. So be aware of that. Not getting any information. Oh, right here. Look, August 7th. It's saying Coney will have a dividend on August 7th. Projected August 7th, announced. So it was announced. It's going to be $1.57. September, it looks like they're actually not going to pay out in September at all. And then they're going to pay $1.57 the next, looks like, year or so. In April, they paid as high as $2.79 and $2.46 in December. So the dividends are getting a little bit smaller. But pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, well, I guess that's it for our live stream, guys. Unless you have any more questions, any comments or anything. Bitcoin's just selling off today. Mara's selling off. I have two positions open, Coney and Mara. Yeah, it's just messing with us today. There is some good, there is some positive. Look at all these 7% and 4% and 5% that all went up today and now are coming back down. So that's interesting to see. So yeah, not the most eventful live stream today, guys. I do apologize. But you got to see me lose some money finally. About time though, probably you guys are thinking. I've had a really good bull run where I've had 8, 9, 10 consistent green days, and then have one red day, then have another 7, 8, 9 consistent days of green days, and now we have another red day. So that seems to be my average, about 8 to 10 green days for every one red day. I'll take that. You know, there's 20 trading days in a month. So if I have 3 bad days out of the 20, that's not bad, as long as I cut my losses soon and I don't lose a huge amount of my account, like 10, 20%, you know, as long as I lose, 1, 2%, not too bad, not too bad. So appreciate you guys' time. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button if you found value in this, and we will catch you all in tomorrow's live stream, same time, same place, at Market Open. Remember, guys, let's end the year on a green note. Thank you, and have a great day.